Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you this step, step, and obviously we're going to be learning the whole TikTok, so make sure that you're watching till the end. And now let's see with the music.
Gassed up, shawty, said I need my party, club to the party,
Alright guys, so hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Abrar back at it again with another video. Alright, so as you guys know, this sound is super old. We did a different dance on this sound back in 2K19 if you guys remember. But I feel that at that time the TikTok was super new and people were trying to understand it. But as you guys know that this sound has come again and everybody is hitting it, so I thought why not to teach you guys. So let's quickly start up with the first step. So first thing first, what you gotta do, as you guys know, we gotta go out of the screen. Like suppose we will think that this is our screen. I will be going out of the screen because you guys will understand in this way. Alright, so we have to be out of the screen first, and now let's learn the step. So what you gotta do with the hands, we'll learn the hand. Basically you need to keep your left straight and your right will be pushing something. Pushing. It's like you're pushing some books in the racks, but they're not going inside. So you're pushing. Like that you have to do it. Alright? And only 3 times you have to do, like boom, boom, boom. Make sure that you're keeping your elbow straight. Don't beat it down or don't beat it up. Alright? Straight. Cool? This is what your hand is doing, and your leg is super easy with that. You just gotta kick it forward, and on your left, you just gotta hop. So whenever you're kicking your right leg forward, you just gotta hop on your left, like boom, boom, boom. Alright, it's like a Fortnite step like we used to do back in 2K19 again. So yeah, let's quickly try it, hands and body together. We go 5, 6, 7 position. 1, 2, 3. Alright, as you guys have observed that our hand and our leg is going at the same time. Let's quickly try it one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So if you guys having question that when you need to take hop on your left, whenever you're taking your right leg back, at the same time you gotta take the hop, like ha. It's like you're kicking your butt with your own leg, like ha, and it's hurting you a lot, so that's why you're jumping, like ouch, like that. And as soon as you hit, you have to kick it forward. Alright, don't keep it down, like ouch, kick. Like that you have to manage. I hope that you got it. Let's try it on the count very slow. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, ouch, ha. Alright, so this is how you're gonna do it. Now comes the question how you need to move. Like you have to come into the screen, right? So basically you gotta keep hopping onto your left, like ouch, and you have to move your leg like this, and you have to come into the screen. The big mistake which I did while shooting this TikTok is now I'm standing in the between. Alright, so basically you gotta come into the between. Don't run away somewhere else. Like 1, 2, 3. That's it. You gotta stand in between. Alright, don't go like ha. Like it's just a big tip. Alright, let's try it on the countings. Let's go out of the screen. Goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, ouch, ha. Only 3 times you gotta do, as I said. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha. Perfect. Now I'll try to sing the song for you guys so that you guys will understand better. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. So sorry. Yeah, I know that I have sang the lyrics very correct, but yeah, one more time we go, then we'll go forward. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go out of the screen. So sorry. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing it 4 times, you have to jump and you have to keep your hands over here. By the way, this dance is from Avmove. I just wanted to include it. So yeah, you just gotta keep your hands over here, and as soon as you do this, you're gonna do the happy feet, aka heel toe. Let's quickly learn how to do it. I'm gonna be teaching you very briefly. If you want a perfect tutorial on it, like a deep one, you can just click right over here. But in this video, I'm gonna be doing it very briefly. So what you gotta do, we'll be learning the left first. Basically, your left will be coming in, out. Alright, that's it. And you have to keep your left leg on your toe first. Now let's switch to the right. Over here you have to keep your right leg on your heel, and it will go out and inside. So basically your left will be coming inside first and going out on the second, but your right leg will be going out first and coming inside on the second. Just this thing you need to keep in mind so that the step will look very easy for you. Let's try it one more time on the slow counts. Both together. We go this one in, this one out. 1. Now this one comes in, this one goes out. 2. That's it. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. And you have to do same to the other side. Change your left onto your heel. Now this one will go out first, and on the second it will come inside. Now change your weight. Now this one will be on the toe. This one will come inside and back. Alright, whatever we were doing on our left, the same thing we want to do it on our right. That's all. Just simple mathematics. Not mathematics, but yeah, simple logic. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now go this. 3, 4. That's all, guys. And as soon as you do 1, 2, you have to do 2 times over here. 3, 4. So basically your left heel will be coming inside 2 times, like boom, boom. And your right toe will be going out, as you guys know. Alright, let's try it one more time. All together, then we'll go forward. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. We did shab, shab, shari. Keep it down. Jump as I said. 1, back, 2, back. 2 times over here. 3, 4. Awesome. And as soon as you do this, your hands will go boom. Then you have to punch your enemy. Like you need to pretend like your best friend is standing in front of you. And you just gotta punch him and you have to pull something. Alright? So it will be looking like 1, punch him and pull. That's it. With that, we will be turning to our left and we are going to do again ha, ha, ha. And while doing the last one, you have to go out of the screen. And I know that you guys know this also, but still I have to tell you guys because this is a video, right? Or let's do it one more time. Goes 5, 6, 7. We did happy Pete. 1, punch, pull, turn this side, ha, ha, ha. And over here, your TikTok dance will be over. Congratulations, guys, you have learned your TikTok dance. Let's try it from the start till the end. Slow counts. We go 5, 6, 7. Sha, sha, shari, ha. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop. Punch, pull, ha, ha, ha. Perfect. And with that being said, guys, if this TikTok tutorial helped you a little bit, just hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so that you guys will be getting updates from all the trendiest TikToks. And now let's start with the music.
Gassed up, shawty. Said I need my 40. Club to the party.